Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Techxplorers channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Let's start with an incredible innovation that will transform the way you work and play. The DXUscreen 2-screen laptop. This groundbreaking device is designed for seamless multitasking, allowing you to work across various platforms with true dual screen versatility. Let's dive into the features that make this dual screen laptop a must-have. Imagine having the ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously with integrated yet separate screens. Whether you're coding, drawing, or just browsing, the 2-screen laptop offers an exceptional experience. The dual screens are touch-enabled, giving you the flexibility to interact with your content in the most intuitive way. One of the standout features of this laptop is its hidden keyboard. Need to type? Simply pop out the hidden keyboard or connect to a Bluetooth keyboard for a substantial leap in work efficiency. You'll never have to worry about forgetting your keyboard again, making it perfect for productivity on the go. The DXUscreen laptop isn't just about work, it's designed for your lifestyle too. Switch effortlessly between 3 synchronized modes, offering diverse options to enhance your daily routine. Whether you're using it as an ebook for a big screen outdoor reading experience or separating the screens for different programs, this laptop adapts to your needs. For those who prefer a traditional setup, we also offer a matching keyboard, ensuring convenience for all users. Our commitment is to provide a range of choices tailored to your preferences, making the DXUscreen laptop the ultimate versatile device. The high-quality carbon fiber composite housing of the DXUscreen laptop ensures optimal electrical and thermal conductivity, making it both durable and portable. This ultra-thin, lightweight case is perfect for those who need a powerful device on the move. Plus, with a large capacity battery, you can achieve a durable power supply, ensuring you never have to worry about running out of power during long work sessions. The dual screens can combine into a single, larger display for immersive viewing, or be separated into 2 independent screens to cater to different tasks. It's the perfect device for those who demand flexibility and performance. So if you're looking to elevate your productivity and enhance your lifestyle, the 2-screen laptop is your perfect companion. Experience the future of multitasking with this innovative device. What about future of personal mobility and robotics with an incredible new device? Lumo. Meet your mobile robot sidekick and mini personal transporter that's about to revolutionize how you move and interact with technology. Let's explore what makes Lumo a game changer. First off, Lumo offers a smooth, self-balancing ride experience powered by Segway's renowned technology. It's designed to navigate most terrains effortlessly, ensuring a comfortable and stable ride every time. With a single charge, you can travel up to 22 miles, making it perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides around town. What sets Lumo apart is its powerful AI, incorporating Intel RealSense technology. This means Lumo is not just a transporter, but an intelligent companion. It can autonomously follow you, capture stabilized video, and respond to touch and voice commands. Imagine having a robot that not only keeps up with you, but also records your adventures. Lumo's playful expressions and lovable personality are sure to cheer you up and impress everyone around you. This isn't just a piece of tech, it's a companion that adds fun and excitement to your day. Plus, with over-the-air updates, Lumo's software and app will continuously evolve, bringing new features and surprises to keep you engaged. For those of you who love to tinker and create, Lumo includes a free Android SDK. This platform is designed for endless integration possibilities, allowing you to dream up and develop new features. And if programming isn't your thing, don't worry. A simple drag and drop interface is coming soon, enabling users without coding experience to teach Lumo new tricks. Imagine Lumo learning to make new facial expressions, following specific routes while capturing video, or even checking your front door when someone stops by. The programmable features mean the possibilities are endless, and Lumo can adapt to your unique needs and lifestyle. Lumo is perfect for tech enthusiasts, early adopters, creators, and Segway fans. It's the only robot you can ride, interact with, and program. Lumo is shaping the future of mobile robotics, offering a smarter, smaller, and cuter personal mobility device than ever before. Whether you're looking for a new way to commute, a fun companion, or a platform to unleash your creativity, Lumo has you covered. Let's have a look into a groundbreaking piece of tech that's set to revolutionize the way you measure and customize your tools. Introducing the M-Cube, the ultimate modular multi-function laser measure. Let's explore what makes M-Cube an essential addition to your toolkit. First off, let's talk about durability. The M-Cube is incredibly durable, designed to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're on a construction site, in a workshop, or working on a DIY project at home, the M-Cube is built to last and keep up with your demands. What truly sets the M-Cube apart is its innovative new magnetic locking design. This feature makes switching modules and accessories effortless. The modularity of the M-Cube is a game changer. This device allows users to switch between different modules effortlessly, meeting various needs for different situations. Whether you're measuring distance, angles, or areas, the M-Cube has a module for it. Users can purchase modules separately or in a full set to perfect their measures. This flexibility means you can start with the basic setup and gradually add more modules as needed, or go all in with a full set from the start. It's all about giving you the freedom to customize your measuring tool to suit your unique requirements. Imagine having a single device that adapts to every measuring challenge you face. The M-Cube makes this a reality with its versatile and expandable design. Whether you're a professional builder, a home improvement enthusiast, or a hobbyist, the M-Cube is designed to cater to your needs with precision and ease. So if you're looking to upgrade your measuring tools and experience the ultimate in modular functionality, the M-Cube is your perfect solution. It's durable, versatile, and designed to grow with you, making it an invaluable addition to any toolkit. Now we're diving into the future of portable entertainment and productivity with the newly announced Rokit AR Lite Suite for 2024. This cutting-edge suite includes the impressive Rokit Max, 2 artificial reality glasses, and the powerful Rokit Station 2 host unit. Let's explore what makes this AR suite a must-have for tech enthusiasts on the go. First up, let's talk about the Rokit Max 2 AR glasses. Weighing in at an ultra-light 2.65 ounces, 75 grams, these glasses are designed for comfort and extended use. The Max 2 utilizes dual Sony 0.68 micro OLED displays that deliver stunning visuals with a 90 Hz refresh rate and 600 nits of brightness. Imagine enjoying multimedia content on a virtual screen up to 300 inches in size. With a 1200p resolution visible across a 50-degree field of view, every detail is sharp and immersive. Plus, sound comes from Temple speakers, providing an all-encompassing audio experience that can be enjoyed all day long. The Max 2 is designed to fit a broad range of users, featuring adjustable pupillary distance, powered by the Yodo OS master operating system on a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. This unit controls the virtual environment with ease. Available in stylish dawn silver and night black colors, these glasses are as fashionable as they are functional. Users can navigate and interact using the touch controls on the Station 2 or through virtual gestures. The multi-screen mode enables multiple windows on a 300-inch virtual display, perfect for multitasking. Plus, the motion mode stabilizes the virtual display to reduce motion sickness, making it ideal for use in vehicles and trains. One of the standout features of the Rokit AR Lite Suite is its versatility. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or getting some work done, this suite adapts to your needs. The Station 2 can even screencast to external monitors, including ultra-wide 32/9 displays, providing a seamless transition from virtual to physical screens. So why should you be excited about the Rokit AR Lite Suite? It's a game changer for portable entertainment and productivity. The combination of the lightweight, high-performance Max 2 AR glasses and the powerful, versatile Station 2 host unit means you can take your virtual environment anywhere. Enjoy stunning visuals, immersive audio, and smooth performance, all while staying connected and productive. We're fizzing with excitement to introduce a revolutionary way to add bubbles to your favorite drinks. Meet Infizz trademark Fusion. This innovative device takes carbonation to the next level, allowing you to fizz not just water, but juice, tea, cocktails, wine, and more. Let's dive into what makes Infizz trademark Fusion a must-have for every beverage enthusiast. First up, let's talk about the star of the show, the Fusion Cap trademark. This ingenious cap gives you full control over CO2 release, so you can choose how fast or slow the carbonation happens based on the drink you're making. Whether you want a lightly fizzed tea or a super bubbly cocktail, channel, the Fusion Cap trademark has got you covered. The Infizz trademark Fusion is designed for ease and convenience. It features a quick and easy locking system with an ergonomic ring pull function, making it a breeze to use. The brushed stainless steel body and smooth handle not only look luxurious, but also feel great to the touch, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. One of the standout features is the powerful magnet that holds the drip tray in place, ensuring maximum stability during use. No more worrying about spills or messes, just pure fizzy fun. With the included 1-liter bottle, you can store your fizzy creations in the fridge for later. But why stop there? Choose from a wide range of accessories, including a set of 2 0 6L bottles and a set of 2 1L bottles, all sold separately. This means you can prepare and store multiple bubbly flavors to enjoy anytime you want. Setting up your Infizz trademark Fusion is a breeze, thanks to Sage's partnership with built, registered trademark intelligent instructions. If instruction booklets aren't your thing, simply download the free built app from the App Store or Google Play for seamless interactive product setup. Imagine the possibilities, fizzing up a refreshing glass of sparkling juice, creating fizzy cocktails that impress your guests, or even adding a bubbly twist to your evening wine. The Infizz trademark Fusion opens up a world of flavor and fun, making every sip an adventure. So if you're ready to start with full flavor and add more bubbles, the Infizz trademark Fusion is the perfect choice for you. Elevate your drink game with this innovative and stylish device that's as functional as it is fun. We're exploring a revolutionary way to care for your clothes, the Everyday Steam Closet. This multifunctional closet is about to transform your laundry routine, making it easier and more efficient than ever. Home. Do you have a chair where clothes that aren't really dirty but don't belong back in the closet end up? We all do. Now, with the Everyday Steam Closet, you can solve all your laundry needs with the press of a button. Say goodbye to the chair and hello to a more organized and refreshed wardrobe. The Everyday Steam Closet offers incredible features. Refresh clothes in just 30 minutes. Perfect for those quick touch-ups before heading out. De-wrinkle shirts and dresses hands-free. No more ironing. Let the steam do the work for you. Dry clothes without a traditional dryer. Gentle drying that prevents abrasive damage and keeps your clothes looking new. Add your favorite scents. Infuse your clothes with delightful fragrances. It's gentle yet effective at releasing wrinkles and removing odors from fabric fibers. Whether you need to freshen up your daily work shirt or de-wrinkle your favorite dress before a party, the Everyday Steam Closet has got you covered. Plus, the combination of steam and heat kills up to 99% of commonly found bacteria and viruses on your clothes, giving you peace of mind and clean, germ-free garments. The Everyday Steam Closet also acts as a dryer, but unlike traditional dryers, it doesn't tumble your clothes. This prevents abrasive damage, ensuring your clothes stay in excellent condition for longer. The fan function is perfect for airing out jackets or drying clothes that can't be exposed to heat, providing a versatile solution for all your laundry needs. Adding your favorite scents to your clothes is easy with the scent compartment. Just place scented sachets in the unit and run one of the steam or fan cycles. Your clothes will come out smelling fresh and wonderful. Setting up the Everyday Steam Closet is a breeze and takes just 3 minutes. You can do it yourself with no tools required. There's no need for an external piping system. Simply plug it into the wall, add water to the water tank, and you're ready to go.